civic engagement. A healthy woman becomes a pillar in her community, fostering healthier generations and more resilient societies. At this, we are not just addressing the immediate needs of women, we are also investing in their futures. Financial empowerment has become a critical component of our approach. Through our programs, we are giving women the tools and resources they need to achieve financial independence. Financial inclusion means giving them control over their resources and decisions. When a woman has the power to make financial choices, she becomes an economic force, not only supporting her family, but also contributing to the nation. I also believe that true empowerment goes beyond health and financial aid. This is a very strong belief that I hold. It requires skills and knowledge that will last a lifetime. Skill development is the bridge to self-sufficiency and long-term empowerment. Now we are not only providing support, we are also trying to enable individuals to sustain themselves and their families for long term by engaging them through skills development initiatives. As we look forward, I invite you all to continue this journey with us, to build a Pakistan where every woman, child and family has a chance to prosper and thrive. Through your efforts and our shared commitment, we can extend this vision of empowerment beyond our borders, creating a very positive change all across our respective nations. We stand committed by we stand by the unwavering commitment of our leaders to serve the underprivileged and to build a more equitable Pakistan. It is in their legacy that we find the strength to persist and the courage to innovate. Thank you all for being part of this mission, and thank you once again for your I would like to thank all our partners as well who have made this vision possible. And in the end, I would also like to tell you all that we also have learned from the delegates that have come here. So this sharing and exchange of knowledge is very valuable for our future commitments and how we can implement them in our countries to make life better for people. And as my very dear friend Coco said, that we would be, inshallah, interacting with you again, meeting each other and sharing our experiences and then learning from our experiences. So, because I've always believed that collective wisdom is the key to all the problems. If we sit down together, we discuss things together. And as a very esteemed colleague from UNICEF, I guess, was stating that there are different forms of poverty that still need to be addressed. As you referred to the child poverty, it is a very different perspective that we have to look at it. So it is very necessary that we all meet more often, exchange views more often, exchange experiences more often, which would lead to a better world and, of course, better countries that we belong to. But as a world, we should come together and try to improve the things the world over for the women, for the children, and for the other vulnerable societies that exist throughout the world. Thank you very much.
بینظیر انکم سپورٹ پروگرام سینیٹر روبینہ خالد کا عوام سیشن کے افتتاح سے خطاب. بینظیر انکم سپورٹ پروگرام غریب طبقے کے لیے امید کی کرن ہے. بینظیر انکم سپورٹ پروگرام کا ملک سے غربت کے خاتمے میں اہم کردار ہے. ہم پاکستان کے ہر شہری کو خوشحال دیکھنا چاہتے ہیں.